little ducklings out to play, jump in the sea, splash all day. Mama duck called out quack, 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 but only 4 came slowly back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducklings near the tree, buzzing with laughter, chasing a bee. Mama duck called out quack, 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 but only 3 came slowly back. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducklings playing in rain, round and round they run again. Mama duck called out quack, 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 but only 2 came slowly back. 1, 2. 2 little ducklings rolling in hay, laughing and tumbling bright in the day. Mama duck called out quack, 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 but only 1 came slowly back. 1. When little ducklings saw a kite flying up high in the sky so bright, Mama duck called out quack, 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 but none of the 5 came slowly back. Mama duck searched the fields around, calling her baby's soft quacking sound. Mama duck called out quack, 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 and all of ducklings came running back. 5 little ducklings safe at home,